Hello guys and welcome to this Finelo review. With Finelo you can master investing and learn how to do it. So here we are right in the app, and as you can see I have a demo balance right here at the top, and as you can see here I got a total balance of $8,045 right now. It is a demo account, but let me just show you how it works and why I like the app so much. So here we are at the start. I just created a new account just to show you guys. Let's click on Start, Intro to Investments. You can listen to it or read. Let's click on Read. And at the right we can go forward. So let's show this. I'm Finn and I'll show you what profit you can get from investing. As someone who has experienced the incredible potential smart investments firsthand, I can't wait to share my knowledge. And then you got some build of wealth building, and they explain to you what investment is. So we will talk about trading and investing in stocks, and here you can read and play interactive just to learn investing. So as you can see here, now you might have heard others saying investing is only for the wealthy or those who have a degree in finance. Do you think this holds? I don't think so, because I think everyone can invest, even if it's a little bit a month. No financial advice, of course, in this video. So imagine it's the year 2005 and you're sipping your morning coffee while reading the newspaper. You come across an online article about a small online bookstore called Amazon. Intrigued by their business model, you decide to invest thousands in their stock. Fast forward to today, and that decision has turned out to be the one of the best you've ever made. Your initial 1,000 investment has grown to an astonishing 200,000 investment. That's the power of investing in a company with solid growth potential. So as you can see here, you can see the stock at the top 200 and below 1,000 in 24 years. And here you can see a little more about the investing. So here you have a quick question. For example, imagine you bought 33 bitcoins in 2010. The current price of Bitcoin is 59,000. How much is your investment now worth? Well, 33 times 59 with 3 zeros, it's almost 2 million, as you can see. So now just turn $10 into a 2 million fortune. And they explain it a lot more. And the more you get into the app, the better you understand investing. So you can earn cash right here with completing the lessons, and the cash, here's a day streak you also get, and with the cash you can actually go to the simulator and you can buy, for example, a asset right here, and it is real time. So if you click on buy, and for example you enter a amount, so like I want 1 Solana, for example, I click on buy. And here it is, your order is complete. You bought one for $201.91. So you can also open a real account if you are ready to really invest and you learned every lesson in here. You can even start with a real account and you now get a free stock if you want to join. But yeah, the nice thing about this app is you can really practice and learn how investing works and trading works and buying like stocks. So this is the first chapter. The second chapter is building your financial foundation. Then you have before you start, and you also got exploring the stock market. So here at the left corner you can see investor pad, and if you click on it you have main pads, investor pad, and then the trader pad, and then the crypto pad if you want to learn about crypto and passive income. And here you have a lot of mini courses like understanding brokers and orders, which markets should you trade, reading price charts, trader risk and account management in trading, for example, and you got a lot more. What type of investor are you? So let's do, for example, reading price charts, and click on it. And here we are in the course of reading price charts. Just click again. And here we go. Welcome to the journey. And here you can see some price charts. These are some indicators, for example, and you can just click forward and learn about the indicators. And for example, if you go further into it, they will ask questions about it. So what can stock charts really tell us? They offer clues about when it might be a good time to buy or sell. Think it's true? So click on true and we will go on. And that's actually, stock charts are only for expert traders. That false, everyone can use it, for example, but you have to learn the basics, and you can really do that in here. So the further you go, here's also the candlestick cheat sheet, but you have to complete everything in just one line. So you start from the basics, and at the end you know a lot about the candlestick, for example. And here you have explore, so more courses, trending right now, exploring the stock market, and also cryptocurrency is really popular, so a lot of people want to learn that. Investing, here's some other categories, and then you got an AI mentor. So if you got any questions, for example, I ask Finn here, he says he's my personal AI mentor. I want to learn more about the indicator, for example, and then I think it asks which indicator. How old are you? Let's say 25. I'm 25. I'm a real estate valuer. I have to fill this in right at the start. Do you have any specific questions? Yes. I want to learn more about the Fibonacci indicator. I don't know if you type it like this, but yeah, I don't have full access right now. I got the most access, but not all right now. But you can learn through your AI mentor if you have any questions. Then here you got the challenges. So you can join right now, for example. It's a 28-day challenge and you got 10,000 if you win. Demo, of course, it's not real money right now. And here are the key skills that goes on with it. And let's click join now, for example. And here you say a little quote from Albert Einstein: the only way to do great work is to love what you do. And I actually believe in that. So let's click on start task. Doing research before investing in a stock is real important. Of course it is. Do always your own diligence. It's crucial, as it's saying right here as well. So it involves understanding the company, business, financial health and industry trends. And here you can see in 1991 the Soviet Union collapsed, marking the end of the Cold War and leading to major geopolitical shifts. What was the impact on global defense and aerospace stocks? So let's say it goes down, because the end of the Cold War and the dissolution of the Soviet Union led to a decrease in global tensions, resulting in a downturn for defense and aerospace stocks because it was less popular. Here you can see during a downtrend, a long red candle followed by a small green candle that closed slightly into the body of the red candle. What does it suggest? Wait, let me read that again. It pretends buy. It pretends buy. No, that's incorrect. As you can see, it. I don't know. I have to follow more lessons myself as well. But it is in a downtrend. It's bearish, so it's going down. Let's do the next one. The 3D printing revolution 2010. What was the impact on 3D printing company stocks? Yeah, it goes up because it's becoming trend, just like AI was a couple years ago or a year ago. It was really going up. It's easy to predict how the stock market will perform each day. That's false. It's really hard actually. Otherwise everyone would do it. Here's Elon Musk funding secured tweet. He tweeted about potentially taking Tesla private, starting funding secured, which led to significant market reaction. What was the immediate impact on Tesla's stock? I would say it's going down, but that's incorrect, as you can see, because the funding was not confirmed, leading to lawsuits, because he was just saying something, and that's of course bad for the company. Lawsuits. So featuring a long red body with minimal or no wicks, this candlestick shows strong selling pressure. What does this imply? Sell, I would say, because it's already saying selling, and that's right. It's also called the bearish Marubozu candle, and bearish is of course going down. Risk in all investments. All types of investments carry some level of risk. That's true. Even ETFs, you have, for example, ETFs that's like 500 companies in one stock, and even that is low risk, but it's still a risk. So you can always lose your money. Be careful, guys. The boom of cryptocurrencies, yeah, that's of course going up then. Bullish, Harami cross. I would say bullish is buy. So as you can see here, I click on buy and it is buy. So it indicates that the bearish trend may be losing steam, suggesting a buy opportunity. So you did it. I did an 80% score, not the best, but it's still not bad, I would say. And tomorrow I can do another challenge, and I could, when I finish it, I receive 10,000 in my Demir account. As you can see, my balance already went up, so that's actually great. I got 8,000 still in my wallet, as you can see, and you can start a real account. If you click on here, start with a real account, you got different kinds of investment platforms you could use. So here are some fees, 0 fees, minimum balance you need is 119, and you got stocks, crypto and more. So here you got different brokers you could use. eToro, for example, is really popular. It's also interactive brokers, for example. And if you click on here, it will if you click on it, you will get to the brokers page, and you can start and open an account, for example. I don't know why, but it's not doing this. I have to just wait. But that's actually how to choose a broker, and you can really put your demo account to a real account if you want to, and try to get real investments done. So here you got also your leaderboard. So my test account's on place 14, for example, and here you can see some are on the main page. This guy is doing really well, as you can see, and it ends in 1 hour. So you can get this traders league you are in, and you can get up to another league if you end up in the top 10, which I'm not. Here you got the profile, so investors pad. I got the test account, like I said, not my normal account. Here you can open the brokerage. Here's your statistics. So I got a 1 streak and finished 6 lessons. And here you got achievements, for example, first steps. And these as well I got already, so you can claim the badge, which is actually really cool, and you can get more achievements done. And that is actually it, guys. So I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, please leave them below. I think it is a real good app to learn the basics of investing. Please be aware of your own investment. This is no financial advice. This is a sponsored video, guys. But if you have any questions, please leave them below. I'll try to help you out. And I hope you are doing good. And I see you in the next video. Goodbye.